Today we're going to be learning about volcanoes.
This is another picture by Sierra. There are different types of volcanoes. The common one is the really tall one that is sort of like a mountain with a hole in it and bursts lava out. I hope this works. Lava that's left behind just becomes more ground. So the volcano is constantly growing. Then some volcanoes are sort of like flat craters in the earth or cracks.
I'm just looking at it. Is it actually going to explode?
Cracks or just craters do more damage because the lava doesn't like take hours.
When will you explode?
Crawling down this mountain. This does nothing! It's useless!